Hello everyone, welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 66 named +1. In this problem, we are given a large integer represented as an integer array digits where digit of I is the ith digit of the integer. Now, the digits are ordered from most significant to the least significant from left to right order. Now, the large integer does not contain any leading zeros. So here we have to increment the large integer by 1 and return the resulting array of digits. So here in the first example, the array contains 3 elements, which is 1, 2, 3. So if we add 1 with 123, it will become 124. So we have to return 1, 2, and 4 as the form of array. Now, in the second example, the array is 4, 3, 2, and 1, which is 4,321. So by adding 1 here, it will become 4,322. So we have to return 4322 as the form of the array. Now in the third example, the digits is 9. So if we add 1 with 9, it will become 10. So we have to return 1 and 0. Now I hope you understood the examples. Here the constraint are the array length can be in between 1 to 100, and each of the array element can be in between 0 to 9. And this array does not contain any leading zeros. I hope you understood the problem statement. Now let's move on to the algorithm. Now, to understand the example and the algorithm, let's take this example. The integer is 129. So if we add 129 with 1, it will become 130. So how the algorithm basically works here, we have to iterate from right to left, which is in the backward direction. And if we find any of the element 9, we have to replace it with 0. After that, if we find any of the element which is in between 0 to 8, we have to simply increase the element. Here, 2 is in between 0 to 8, so we have to increase it by 3. Now the array becomes 130 and we have to simply return it. So this is one possible scenarios. Now it can be possible that our array contains all of the element equal to 9. Suppose 999 is our array. So if we add 1 with 999, it will become 1000. Now the algorithm is similarly, we have to iterate from right to left. And if we get 9, we have to simply replace 9 with 0. So we will replace 0 here, we will replace 0 here, and we will replace 0 here. Now, till now, we did not find the answer. So we have to simply put 1 into the first position and add 1 0 into the last position. So now the array will become 1 0 0 and 0. And this is the output of 199 plus 1. And this is how basically algorithm works. We will scan from right to left, and if we get 9, we will replace 9 with 0. And if we get any element between 0 to 8, we will simply increase it by 1 and return the array. Otherwise, if all the elements is 9, we have to simply replace the first element with 1 and add another 0 into the last. Finally, we have to return it. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. At first, we are given a function named +1, which has a vector of integer as digits. Now, we are running a loop from the backwards, and if our current digits is less than 9, that means it is in between 0 to 8, we are increasing the digits and simply returning the array. Otherwise, if our current digit is equal to 9, we are replacing the digit with 0. And after that, if we did not return any of the digits, that means all of the element in our given input array is 9. So here we have to replace the first element with 1 and insert another 0 at the last of the vector. Finally, we have to return the digit. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching the video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.